Patreon is a platform that allows creators to earn money by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters. Here's how you can make money with Patreon. Offer exclusive content. Create a Patreon account and offer exclusive content to your subscribers, such as behind-the-scenes footage, tutorials, early access to content, or special artwork. This could be anything from blog posts, videos, music, podcasts, to exclusive live streams. Set up membership tiers. Set up different membership levels or tiers where supporters can choose how much they want to pay. Each tier can provide varying levels of access, from basic content to personal interactions, merchandise, or exclusive products. For example, a $5 tier might get access to your weekly newsletter, while a $50 tier could offer one-on-one consultations or physical items. Build a loyal community. Engage regularly with your supporters, responding to comments, offering shoutouts, or providing personalized content. Building a strong relationship with your community encourages more people to support you. Launch exclusive merchandise. Offer exclusive merchandise or digital downloads, such as custom prints, ebooks, or music. Patrons may be willing to pay extra for these limited edition products.